Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade. I'm coming at you with a card share video. I want to share a card that I made for my husband for his birthday. So many months ago, I saw this set that came out. It's called Jack of All Trades. And I knew I wanted everything because we love playing cards and we have friends that play cards, friends and family. So I figured I would really utilize this set. So I got I want it all bundle. And let me share with you what is included. It comes in that little envelope if you never have one. And so first up is the Pip and Rank die set, which is the numbers and the suits. Super cute and little. And then you get a better press plate, and this is the deluxe deck. So it looks like the back of a playing card. And then you get this press plate and die set called Shuffling Sentiment. It's really cute, and it has like a banner type die. And then you get this press plate, and this is the enhanced suit facet. And those are really pretty, very detailed, beautiful. And then you get these cutting dies. This is the Kaleidoscope Noble Suits. And this set was created by J.C. Gasper, in case you didn't know. And there's the different layers, 3 layers for each suit. And then last but not least, you get the reversible Royal Court. And this comes with a ton of dies for you to create the king and the queen, or whatever member of the court they are. So when I first got it, I was super excited, and I immediately started playing around with some of the dies, and I'm just kind of cutting out, like I cut out the king and the queen, and then some of the suits, and then some of the little extras like a sword. You could put, you know, he can hold a sword instead of this, whatever that's called. He can hold a sword, and just different things. And then here are some of the smaller letters. And then here's a head that's a hair that's waiting for me to use. And then part of a shield. So I played around with it. I really found it really relaxing to cut out the different things. And they're so pretty. Spellbinders did a really great job. It also came with if you ordered it at a certain time, you got this extra directions on how to create certain cards, and there was a video that JC put out, and you could follow along. But I got mine late. I ordered it in time, but it came late, and I didn't have it when the video was shown. But I do have how to make these specific cards that and I think you can go back and still see the video. So let me share with you the card that I made. So I made this card, and it's just super simple. This is a a folder from my stash, and I just kind of layered up the playing cards. And so I wanted to put happy birthday player. I mean, for those who know, you know, but I only put player. He thought it was funny and liked the card. So this set is one of those sets that I thought I would really make tons of cards, but this is the only card I've made. Sometimes you have to really think about when you're ordering these bundles if you're going to use them. I'm having trouble kind of getting the hang of using my better press, so I haven't been really excited about the results that I've gotten. So I'm going to continue to keep on trying, and hopefully I'll have more cards to share with you from this really cute bundle. Let me know what you think of the card below. Did you get this bundle or any parts of it? Let me know in the comments below. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. If you're current subscriber, thank you so much. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing. So I'll talk to you all soon. Have a great day. Bye.